Hey guys, what's up? My name is Zon Strallen and welcome back to my incredibly dead YouTube channel. This is where I pretend to know what I'm doing on camera. First things first, I am a professional music producer, and by professional I mean this. Secondly, Julian Dobbin
Dobbenbull.
produces electro house and not bass house. Yes, that's right, I said it. And also, both Julian Jordan and I use FL Studio, so if you use Ableton, I would like you to reconsider your life choices. Point number 5, I'll just pretend like I didn't record myself producing the track from the past hour, and my OBS just didn't crash. Thank you, Jim Bailey. So let's get started. First things first, always set your BPM to 126. Why? Because Julian Jordan does that. He always starts his intro with a snare, so that's what we're gonna do. We need some impacts. Some drone ambience. Some vocal chants. Some risers or hoovers or whatever you call them. And the drop melody but filtered in. Altogether, the intro should sound something like this. Then we need a glitch or some raise bass, any fill that does this sound. The snares again. More impacts. And some vocals. And a long sweep. A kick pattern. Some claps. Rides. And an open hi-hat. A crash. Some percussions. Drop stabs, and we need some pretty good ones. Also, we need some mini sweeps to fill in the gaps. The bass. And a drop melody. And occasionally we need some build-up snares. Like that. And for the short fill, we need an impact and some synth fills. So that's it. That's pretty much the whole track, and here's the final result. Thank you for watching, guys. Please consider subscribing. The likes don't matter anyway. I will try to be more consistent in uploading more videos, so also turn on your notification bell. Thank you, and you are permitted to leave the video now.